Well, you guys didn't get to see this, but the clamp was tightened on too tight at one point, so some of the teeth are a little stripped, so it will only clamp on to a certain point, and it wasn't gripping that hose strong enough to stop the leaks. So what I've done, let's see if I can zoom in on this, I made a small wax paper collar. I did 2 stacks. You know, you can see here's the collar here. This is from a candy bar or whatever, and it was actually from a granola bar, but it's wax coated cardboard of some sort, and I just took it 2 layers thick, and that made it quite a bit tighter on there. So let's test and see if it holds now. My God, that is working. Yes. Now for the ultimate test. Oh, gotta find the keys. There's still a little bit of a drip, but it's a lot less, and I bet that I can go to work in this. The adventure will continue tomorrow.